Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another HD QuickFlix. Thanks for tuning in. Me and Lee are going to cruise up to the J&P Cycles and Harley Davidson in Ormand Beach and go check out the bike week stuff they got going up there. What's up? We're on our way up to Ormand Beach again. We're going to go visit the Buell boys and check out what's going on over there.
Yeah, at least before they leave, and then we can chill, mess around and shit, so we'll be good.
Chill, mess around and shit. We're on our way. Something sounds really weird on my bike, but not good weird. You hear it? The motor mount come off? No, whatever. Look at that big ass fence on top of that Walmart sign. Bald eagle. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Right, that's what I'm saying.
What color is your bike?
It's blue.
Is it technically Big Blue Pearl?
No, I think it's just, what was it, Midnight Blue Pearl or something? I don't remember.
It's very similar to my Fat Boy. That's why I see cars on there. I'm like, it's almost the same.
Right, yeah, no, I don't remember. It is a blue pearl, but I don't remember which one. I think it might just be my fender rattling around. Hold on, I can't hear it. Alright, so we're over here at the Ormand Beach Harley Davidson for
Look at this Cadillac.
Daytona Bike Week. Oh yeah, that is the gold wing.
Yeah. This looks so much, to me it looks better than the Harley three-wheel. Got an S&S in it. Like sick. It's Arnold bike.
Here, hold on for a second. That's what extreme close-up looks like.
So I can get the headlight like that for mine. So it's just a single square up front.
Oh really? The later shark
Yeah.
headlight? Yeah, this magnetic mount is pretty convenient. The beard cam.
Beard cam. Soon it'll be a beer cam.
Oh yeah, it will.
That's fucking sweet. That's how my rod looks.
Do you have dark horse rods?
No. It's just a Harley rod.
I'm doing this wrong. So this is the same compensator that I have on my bike.
So that's the one you did get. Okay.
That's the one I put in there, yeah.
Because that's what it looked like before, right?
It is what it looked like before.
So this is what the mule comes with. Like
It already comes with that?
Yeah, it already comes with something like that.
No kidding. Look at
That's
this.
why when I'm like in first gear, it's like,
Yeah.
yeah. About
Does it sound like it's going to shake it hard?
Yeah. So that's a stock one? Or is that theirs?
That's a stock one. You got a run out kit.
Drop it in there. Are we allowed to?
I don't know. Let's find out. Dang, look at that.
Oh my God.
Zero run out.
None. Oh, it's not. Wait. There's a little bit. None of this would really matter on the Harley bike.
Oh. Hey, do you guys make a twin cam crane?
Sure.
You do?
Yeah, we got twin cam.
The flywheel or whatever?
Yeah, we got a can of ore like that in a twin cam circuit with our rod and balance. We would start at about 1700.
1700?
That's cool.
How much power can you put through one of those reliably? All of it?
We got guys that are pushing nitrous and turbos, 250 horses.
250? That's cool. Yeah, I definitely want to get one of those when I do my build. So that's cool. What was your name, dude? What's your name?
Tom.
Kyle?
I'm one of the owners.
Chester. Tom. Nice to meet you. We're gonna walk around. Thank you for letting me know that.
That was just our front here.
Where's the rocket? Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's their step bike, by the way.
All right.
Oh, that's Bill right there. That's the CEO right there.
CEO.
Yeah.
Bill.
Oh yeah. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, I'm so glad you brought back the fuel.
Thanks.
So,
Where are you guys from?
from originally from San Diego, but I'm over in Orlando now.
Okay.
So I got a down payment on one of the Super Touring.
Nice.
So
Awesome.
yeah.
That's great.
Watch
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good. Chester.
Chester.
How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
You sure?
Thank you.
Watch that video with Eric. With Eric and stuff. That was sweet. That was awesome.
You liked it?
Yeah, that was
pretty
cool.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had to bleep a few things out. We didn't.
I was fucking dying when you were bleeping out. I was like, I know who they are.
I was like, hey, like we won't talk about like names. We'll just talk about like products and things.
Yeah.
And he just kept saying.
I knew they had bad blood, but I didn't.
Harley did this.
Yeah. They missed out on something huge, but I'm glad you got it now. So
I'm glad it happened.
yeah.
Yep.
What's it like to ride this thing?
I haven't ridden it yet.
Oh my god.
Jacob rode it, but he didn't really get it. 400 horsepower to the wheel.
I saw the dyno sheet.
And he's gonna. Well, we're hoping to take it to Bonneville and go for a land speed record.
Yeah. I saw that one and I commented on it. It was like ready for the salt flats. Yeah. That one looks
this
like
one's gonna go salt flat.
That's a salt flat
Yeah.
one. Okay.
That one looks, it's a great bike though. It rides like a sport bike on the same platform.
So
You know, we just want to show off that you can do a lot with this bike. We designed it with a steel frame so you can cut stuff, fab stuff. You know, when you're looking at a full sport bike, it's a little bit harder to do stuff.
Yeah.
With this, you got a club bike, you got a turbo bike, you got a camping racer. We're gonna turn one into an adventure bike soon.
Oh, really? Cool.
But on the same platform.
So
this whole setup is stronger than that like frame setup.
Yeah.
That's an aluminum frame, and if you're out, you know, doing like off-roading, you tip it over and you puncture or get, you know, upset the aluminum frame. Yeah. These are steel and they're stronger, so you can, and they're lightweight, so you can really go adventure riding.
Right? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I saw the desert. You made you were doing a dirt bike version of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that one too. All of them look great.
Where are you guys from?
Orlando.
Orlando. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Port Orange right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
just moved in.
Both came from San Diego, so.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It was good.
We had a little car club going out there and tore it up, and now we're old, so we needed to shorten our lifespans because retirement's not really an option. So.
Are you showing the touring?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I gotta go check out the one I got money on.
You're welcome to sit on it too.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Great to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you, man.
Great to meet you.
Appreciate it.
They got Simpson made a Buell helmet too.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
This one's fucking bad too.
Hey, look at that. Very cool.
And that's their stunt bike. You know those videos you were showing me?
Yeah.
This is the bike they do all that shit on, right here.
Yeah, buddy. Nice. 12 o'clock bar and all that.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Look at that tire.
I love it. So that's their production one. Right? You need to sit on that. Or what? Yeah, I think this is. Ask him real quick. I'm pretty sure this is the production bike you could sit on. This is what. Oh, he's watching the video. Oh. The one of productions you can sit on, right? Yeah. I want to get him off his Harley onto one of these. There we go, right? He's got a 06 dyno right now, and I'm like, dude, this is going to be so. Okay. You rip around on this thing. It's a little different animal than the dyno. Yeah. Very cool. What do you think?
For me, it's real tall.
It's tall.
It's real tall. And I do like the handlebars are kind of narrow.
The Saddleman, we could get different heights, right? For the Saddleman?
You're going to do a lower one, which this is the lower one.
Okay.
It does feel very, very light, though.
What's the wet weight?
It is very, very light.
485, yeah. Dude, that's like half of your bike.
It is. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Very cool.
Sell the Dyna, get one of these.
Exactly, right?
Right? I know, with what I have into the Dyna, I could have had one of these already. It's so sad. And it's like I bought an older Dyna, and I had to go through everything.
Exactly, yeah. This is already done. It's
Right?
75 horse, Brembo brakes, Saddleman seat.
Right?
Like it's ready to rip.
Yeah, it's pretty badass, man. That probably will be my next bike. You should get them to send you pictures of your actual bike on the line.
You guys would want to have
Yeah. We shoot you an email, like let you know that we're starting your build.
Oh, I know you guys you got a lot of orders for these things.
ahead,
Yeah.
But yeah, no, when we reach out, let you know starting and everything, just let us know.
Yeah, I got the. I think I got the loans number 1,050 down on it right now. So I'm just waiting for the build list, and then yeah. But then I saw these things start popping off. I'm like, I'm all right with mine getting built a little bit later because these things are sick. So yeah, as soon as I get mine, my dad lives out in San Diego, so I'm planning on taking a trip from Orlando. I'm riding it straight out there as soon as I get it. I'm just gonna put miles on it. I'm like,
That's a good rent too.
yeah. I can't wait.
Yeah, that'd be super cool.
Yeah. China. One of these, man.
Right? I know I should have. Should have, would have, could have.
We're gonna walk around there. Have a good one, Bill. Have a good one.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
200 fucking horsepower.
All right, we did the Ormand Beach thing. We're gonna head back to Port Orange.
I was going to go down this way.
Oh,
We
okay.
did last time.
Somebody's locked in the trunk and they're like getting in there with the wires.
Yeah, it's Morse code for 60.
No, it's Morse code for get me out of the trunk. I'm stuck in here. No, now the whole video's ruined. I think we better watch out for people running these lights, bro. Oh no!
I accidentally hit the button when I was putting it down.
Oh shit! Almost lose your sun visor? Oh no, this is good actually because I need to take off my sunglasses. Can't believe that's making... Dude, that made the whole thing feel like it was gonna break. Oh, you do have a toolkit?
Since we share Harley fucking parts. Maybe? Might be in there.
Let's see, bro. Oh! How do you... Life hack! It is not a torch. That's okay.
Is that Torx?
It's fine.
Okay, because all my shit is Torx. So.
We'll be able to definitely make it. By the way, everybody, this is the GoPro lit, and it has the function of having a light. But did you die? Oh no! We made it. We didn't even die.
My nuggies.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, a follow, a thumbs up, share it, comment, all that stuff. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Peace.